Hi everyone, welcome to choose our Intercom VB model headset. Now let me show you how to install our Intercom VB headset onto your helmet. Firstly, let me open the box. You will see the following parts into the box: manual instruction, clip, Bluetooth headset body, charger, microphone and earphone, USB wire, Velcro clip, Velcro tabs, screwdriver. Firstly, let me loose the clip with the screwdriver. And then put the Bluetooth headset body into the clip through the pathway. Okay, and then find a suitable place in your helmet. Of course, you need to pay attention to. You need to put the clip onto the left side, not the right side. Just like this. And then use your screwdriver to fasten it. Okay. Microphone and earphone. Put the plug into the relevant place. Okay. And then you need to rid off two Velcro tabs. Stick them onto the relevant place. Okay. Put the earphone into the relevant place. The other side is also the same. Okay, you will see the outside wire is not so good, so let's hide them into the inner lining. The other two Velcro tab is for your future use, and of course, the sample clip is for your next use. It is convenient to use on the helmet surface, just like this. Like that. Okay, that's all for our installation process. Like this.